All right, so first of all, do not open with a sharp object. So we used a spoon to open the edges. It opens perfectly fine. And now we're just excited about opening this box. Wow. Presentation, absolutely amazing. Spectacular. All right. Super careful. Wow. Certificate of authenticity. Absolutely beautiful. Collector set. And unique tribute to design. Absolutely incredible. And then we put our gloves. Super important to handle a piece of history like this. And voila. Wow. Wow. That's so, so beautiful. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. It's poster number 1. Poster number 2. Alpine Beauty. Vintage. Let's see what we got. It's poster number 3. My goodness. I cannot believe I'm looking at these in real life. And then last poster of your collector set. What is the speed of sound? The Diablo shows up. It's 202 miles per hour in a Lamborghini Diablo. There you have it, guys. 100% recommended. Thank you, Dave and team, for sponsoring the club with such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful package. 100% recommended. Please head to their website. Also, they have a docu-cast series about Alpine and Lamborghini collaboration.